Hi everyone and welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how I create my Caribbean green seasoning. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you all the vegetables that I will be using and the herbs. So I have bell peppers, scallions, cilantro, parsley, thyme, and garlic. Okay, so I'm going to start by slicing up all of my vegetables. Today for this recipe, I will be using my food processor, which helps me mince my vegetables very well. And that's perfect for green seasoning. So it's highly recommended. Okay, so next I'm moving on to my green bell peppers. Now, sometimes people use Scotch bonnet peppers, different spicy peppers, but since I have a toddler, I won't be adding in those peppers, but I do recommend it. It's so good and so flavorful. Okay, so I'm placing all of my bell peppers in there. Go ahead and work on that last bell pepper. Place in a bowl like so. After that, I will be chopping up my parsley and cilantro and scallions. And I have my garlic. I will go ahead and peel and get ready for the blender. Okay, so I'm just chopping off those little end pieces. After that, we're good to go. So here's my food processor. This is a lifesaver. Okay, so I'm adding in my garlic first to go ahead and mince that very well. Then we're going to add in those scallions and some cilantro. Now here I usually use parsley, and you can still add that in there. I decided not to, so I'm just going to use my cilantro for that fresh, bright flavor. Okay, so after that, we're going to go ahead and continue on adding in those bell peppers. Last but not least, I will be adding in some fresh bunch of thyme. Okay, also you want to make sure you drizzle some infused avocado oil, whatever type of oil you prefer. You can go ahead and drizzle that in there, and that will make the perfect consistency that we need. So your green seasoning will be like a paste. Okay, so this is perfect for stews, seafood, sides, vegetables. Oh my God, it brings so much flavor, and also it's very healthy. Okay, so if you're on a move, you're on the go, you need quick, easy recipes throughout the week, I would suggest using this in your recipes. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.